Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have a cheesecake loaf for you. A yummy dessert, and I have here 3 eggs, 100 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of grits, 100 grams of raisins, lemon zest, 100 grams of butter at room temperature, 100 grams of sour cream, 500 grams of fresh farmer's cheese, looks super yummy, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So these are the ingredients. I'm gonna start by rehydrating the raisins with a bit of vanilla extract and hot water. I will separate the eggs. The whites are going in the mixing bowl and the yolks in another bowl. I'm gonna add half sugar over them and use a whisk to mix them really good. I will add butter, and it is a room temperature, so it's gonna be easy to incorporate and mix with yolks and sugar. Add sour cream. We love sour cream here, so I added in my recipe as well, and incorporate the fresh farmer's cheese into your mixture. We love cheese here, and this fresh one is absolutely delicious. Because might have some whey, I added some grits that will absorb the moisture, and of course we need to bring some flavor with lemon zest. Make sure to grate only the yellow part. The white one is quite bitter, so only the yellow is going into your dessert. Mix it well. The cake starts to come together, this batter, let's say, right? I will add cornstarch now. Mix it in with the spatula, and I will let this aside. In the meantime, I'm gonna preheat the oven at 180 Celsius, and I'm gonna start whisking the whites with a mixer at a low speed in the beginning, increasing after a minute or so, and when they get whiter and increasing in volume, I'm gonna add the rest of the sugar and mixing until we're gonna have a nice meringue. Will take about 5 minutes, let's say. It's gonna be nice and shiny, and the sugar will almost dissolve. Now I'm gonna fold in the whites into the yolk and cheese mixture, and also the raisins will gonna go as well in the batter. It's a flourless batter, as you can see. Add the raisins in the mixture. As you can see, they absorb all the water and vanilla extract. I'm gonna pour now the batter in my loaf tin. I line it with baking paper, and I'm gonna bake the cake at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for about 35-40 minutes. And after baking, I will let it cool down and turn it upside down onto a plate or serving board. and you can glaze it with some chocolate. I melted here 50 grams of chocolate, but if you don't want to add chocolate, you can just sprinkle some powdered sugar. Either way, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Make sure to let it cool down before you glaze it, and also before you serve it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe or another video from our travels. See you.